One could say there's all types of movement within the manufacturing industry, but we cannot discuss movement without first discussing velocity. So speaking of velocity, I'm hanging out here with Corey from Velocity Products. Corey, man, how you doing today, dude?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Wonderful. Hey, it's a great day to have a great day here hanging out at Morris at this wonderful event and talking about some of the latest and greatest products in the industry. So speaking of products, speaking of velocity, give us the why and the what and tell us what we need to know.
Sure. So Velocity has been around for about 12 years now, and I would say the unique thing about Velocity is we make products only for Okuma machine tools. That's a unique business strategy for only supplying to one key manufacturer, but it's what differentiates us from the market.
Makes complete sense. And since we are here at this synergistic collaborative event here with Morris, let's talk about the relationship between Velocity Products and Morris. What do we need to know?
So we're a Morris company, which was founded based on the fact that we had a request from Okuma to develop a couple products that they historically brought in themselves. So in the past, they brought their own tool holders in, but they're a machine tool manufacturer. So they had asked us to focus on that so they could focus on capital CNC metal cutting equipment.
Makes complete sense, but we still have a blank to fill. I see this beautiful setup, see the Okuma, see all the tooling in the setups, but I also see something that looks new in a shiny box, man. What's going on here?
So primarily in the past, 70% of our business is all on the lathe product offering. We didn't really offer much on the milling machine tool side. So we made pull studs in the past for Okuma, again, by the request. But we didn't have an offering for vertical machining centers and horizontal machining centers. So now we've started to offer Cat 40 and Cat 50 tooling in an ER collet style, which goes almost on every machine tool. And based on the pull studs that we sold in the past, we knew there was a place in the market to have an offering for holders.
So is there anything else that you'd like to share when it comes to Velocity Products with these viewers of manufacturing?
So just a couple quick things. I mean, one of the key things is we offer a 3-year warranty on our lathe tooling. One of the main reasons that is because we manufacture machine, ground, and lap gear sets that no one else does that. So every live holder actually has a matched gear set. So we also have a repair facility here in Rome, Georgia, which we repair only for Okuma machines. And over the course of the history, we're over 60,000 tool holders in the North American market just for Okuma machine tools.
Nothing short of incredible. Also probably coming by way of the support and the depth and collaboration that you entertain every single day. So wonderful to be able to stop by here and check out Velocity Products here with you, Corey. Hey everybody, this is Eddie with MTDCNC. We'll see you next time.